राधे राधे मेरे भाइयों. Today I am going to solve a new question of Leetcode, that is 242 valid anagram. So let me read the question. Given two strings A and T, return true if T is an anagram of S and false otherwise. Means you have to find whether these two strings are anagram or not. So what is anagram? So I will tell you taking example. See, if two strings are like Shivam, SHIVM. If so this is a string 1 str of 1 Shivam, str of 2, write something Shivam but in different order, SHIVAM. So what anagram is, if any character is present in this string, it should also be present in this string. It must be present in this string. No matter where the order is, it should be present. Means if any string str of 1 is a string, if it contains 3 character A, 3 of A, 4 of B and 3 of C, means 3A are there, 4B are there and 3C are there. So it must also be present in a string of 2. Means a string of 2 also contains 3 of A, 4 count of B and 3 count of C. Right. So I hope you understand what is anagram. So I will take another example to explain. Means this is a written one string is str of 1 is a car, right? Second string is RAC, rack. Okay, so as you can see, R is there, R is also here, A is here, A is also here, C is here, C is also here. Means this is anagram. Anagrams means characters. If any character is present in this string, it should also be present in this string. It can be anywhere. It is not mandated that C is at first character and it should also be in first character. No, C can be anywhere, but it must be present. So another example, cat. Here you can see TAR. So as you can see, T is present here, it is also present, A is also present, A is also present, C is present, but in this string C is not present, so it will not be anagram. So I hope you understand what is anagram. So I hope you understand what is anagram. Now I will tell you what are the approaches you can think of. So if any string is given like A, C, D, B, str of 1 and str of 2, A, B, C, D. If you want to match A, whether A is present or not in this character, so you will have to manually check whether this character is present in this or not. So what you can do, you can simply, if you somehow able to sort this array. So how this array look like? ABCD string, and if you sort this, it will also look like ABCD. Means if you sort two things, means what I want to say, if you sort two things, if the two things are equal, then it will look like same. Like if there are two cars, if you align them in a row, if they are both are equal, then both will look like same, right? So if there are two strings, anything A, B, C, D, E and C, D, F, G, H, so if they are equal, then if you are sorting the string, then both will look like the same. So if you sort this, it will look like A, B, C, D, E. But if you sort this, how it will look? C, D, F, G, H. If both are different, that's why they are not looking like same. Means if you sort both the strings, if they are equal, means they were anagrams. If they are not equal, they are not anagrams. So this is the brute force. It will take n log n because of sorting. So I will take you another, I will show you another technique how you can find, and this technique will help you in solving many questions, right? So this technique is called hashing, right? So what is hashing is like, hashing is a as any what character or any sentence will always contain A to Z characters, means 26 alphabets are there, right? So can you, like as I already told you, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, right? What I told you, in this string you have to keep count of how many A are there, how many B are there and how many C are there, right? And you have to match whether this much of count is present in the second string or not. If A is 4 times, it must also be present in the second string 4 times. So you want to keep a count of all the characters, right? A, B, C, D, A, B, and A, B, C, D, A, B, C, right? Both are string. This is string 1 and this is string 2. So you want to keep count of. So how you can keep count of? As there are 26 character, as there are 26 alphabet in ABCD, so you want only 26, right? So like array will provide you to store how many characters you have counted, or hash map you can use. But I will tell you how you can store in array. So what is the a? So if you subtract a minus a, what it will give you? It will give you 0. If you subtract b minus a, so what it will give you? 1. If you subtract c minus d, what it will give? Sorry, d minus e, what it will give you? 1. F minus h, what it will give you? 2. Means you are taking the difference of both the characters, like a and a both are same, so it will give 0. B and minus a means both has a difference of 1, so that is giving it 1. So how I will store it this in this array, right? So this is the issue, because array will give you indexing wise 0 1 2 3 like that. It will not give you like a b c d, right? So you want to store as a character as a index wise. So if you somehow able to subtract this minus a from you, you have to what find the difference between this character to a. So you can find, like, if you got the difference of a minus a, means if this is 0 means the character was a. So I will simply increment the index 1, means it is 1, means I have got a one time. It is b, so as you will got the difference b minus a, what it will give you? It will give you 1. So at means you are at one index. This means what? You are getting a character b, that's why you are at one index. So you simply increment the one index as 1. Now c it will c minus a, means it will give you 2. So you are at index 2, means you the current character was c, that's why you are getting 2. So you will increment 2. Now d as 1, again a comes, right? So a minus a, again 0. So at 0 index it was already 1, so what it will you will simply increment, so it is 2. Means at 0 index 2 is present, means there are 2 characters of a. As you can see, 2 characters of a. Let me change the color. Again a means you will simply increment 3. Now again b, so b is already 1, so again you will increment. So how many characters? Means at 0 index 3 is present. Means if 0 index means a, 1 index means b, 2 index means c, as I already told you why. So 0 means a, so at 0 index 3 is present, means 3 of a is present 3 times. 1 count is 2, so means b is present 2 times. C count is 1, means c is present 1 times. So you will simply do for both the strings, and you will simply compare both the arrays. If both the arrays are equals, means you got an anagram, otherwise it will not be anagram. See, I will take example. What? Shivam, SHIV, not Shivam, let's take some easy. A B D C E A, and another string A B B D C, right? 6 length 6 length 6. So super brute force will be what? I mean super edge case will be what? If both strings length is not equal, it will never be anagram. Means both string length should be equal. The first edge case will be. So what I will do, this is the vector for first string str of 1, this is for str of 2. So I will divide into 26 boxes. As there are only characters from a to c, you can write. For now it will look like this: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I will start from string 1. String 1 is a, so you will a minus a character. So what it will give? It will give you 0. So we'll go to 0 index and we will increment. So it was already 0. Everything was 0 in a starting, right? So you'll simply increment it by 1. Let me change the color. You will simply increment it by 1. Now you reach to b. So b minus a is equals to what? It is 1. So you'll simply increment 1. Now d minus a is what? A B C D. D minus a, that is difference of what? 3. So you will 0 1 2 3 as a 1, right? Now c as c minus a is what? 2. So you'll increment second index as 1. Again e comes. E means 5. A B C D E 4. As index is 0 index, so it will less 1 less. Again a comes. A means what? A minus a means 0. 0 is already 1, so we'll increment it by 2. Now means 0 index is 2, means 2a are there. As you can see, 2a are there. 1 index is 1 time, so means b is occurring 1 time. 2 index is 1 time, so a b c is occurring 1 times, right? So for string 1 I have already marked. Now for string 2 is what? A b b d c. So a is what? Starting in 0, so I will increment as 1. Again a comes, starting increment is 2. So I am here b. I will increment as 1, again increment as 2. Now D, for A, B, C, D, I will increment as 1 and again C for 1. So as you can see, for this string, A is occurring how many times? 2 times. B is occurring what? How many times? 1 times. C is occurring 1 times and D is occurring 1 time. So for this is for string 2. And the for string 1, how many occurrence it will take? See, 2 1 1 means A is occurring 2 times, B is 1 time, C is 1 time, D is 1 time and E is 1 time. As you can see, both the arrays are not equal. Why I am saying this? As have a look. 0 1 2 3 4 means A 2 2 1 2 1 3. Yeah, here as you can see, let me check. A D C E A. As you can see, E was not present. E is present here, but as you can see, E is not present here. E count is 1, but as you can see at fourth index, E's count is only 0. Means E is not present in the second string. So what I can say means a string in str of 2, E was present, but in str of 1, E is not present because of this index. This index is 0 for str of 2, but this index is 1 for str of 1. Means you have to simply compare. After hashing all the characters into the array, you have to simply compare both two arrays. If the two arrays are equals, means all the alphabets are occurring same times in both the array. So you can simply return true, otherwise false. It is same as sorting. Like sorting was taking n log n. Again you can see you are arranging in the sorted order. It will come A B C D E F. Again you are doing the same, storing in the sorted order, but the complexity is only O of n time. Space is O of n and also time is O of n. So you are simplifying it by reducing the time complexity, but at the same time you are taking as a space complexity of n. So in the first brute force, what I did, I just sorted the string, so it was taking n log n, right? So I just decreased the time complexity, but I took always O of n of a space complexity. So you can follow any of the approach. Now I will write the code. See, while I have to go for str of 1 length, first I will hash first string, right? So how will I hash? So first array was hash 1. So array of str of I 1, str of I minus a. Every time I was decrementing from a so that I can got the index. Now for second string I will do the same. I less than str of 2 dot length, and I will hash into the another array hash 2. So str of 2 I minus a, that is plus plus. It is called hash and kicking. Now at the end I will simply compare. If both array are equal, if hash 1 is equals to hash 2, means both the all the characters are occurring same times in both the arrays. So I will simply return true, or I will return false at the end. So I hope you got the intuition why I taught you. So I will summarize. First was brute force. Simply sort the array, sort the string. If you sort the string, if they are equal, it will look like same, otherwise it will not look like same. You can simply compare both the string and simply return true or false. If they are equal to true, otherwise false. And second technique was optimal, kind of optimal with O of time and O of space. I will simply using hashing technique, I will hash the characters into a array. If A is there, A means 0 index, B means 1 index, C is 2 index. So I will hash the into the two arrays for string for array 1 for string 1 and array 2 for string 2, and I will simply compare both the array. If they are equal, means anagram, otherwise not anagram. So I hope you got the intuition. I will be meeting in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Shri Ram.